Hello friends, through this video I would be explaining the concept simplification and approximations. Questions related to this topic appears mainly in IBPS and SBI, PO and clerical examinations. Now let us check what volume of questions would be asked from this topic. Most of the PO exams would ask around 5 questions and any clerical exam paper would have around 10 questions. Before getting into the definition of the topic, let me introduce you to a typical question which could appear in the exam. A standard question that could appear in the exam might be to find the missing number in the expression that is given. So basically, we are required to simplify the whole equation and find out the missing number. So what exactly are we dealing with in these problems? It is nothing but evaluating the final answer for a complex calculation. Simplification questions are asked to check the ability of a student to deal with numbers. Let us look at what is the prerequisite knowledge required to solve such problem. The only theoretical knowledge required is to know what the BODMAS rule is all about. Now, what is BODMAS? It is nothing but a collection of rules that define which procedures to perform first in order to evaluate a given mathematical expression. Let me expand each letter one by one so that you get a better understanding of the whole picture. The B in BODMAS stands for brackets, O stands for order. Order may be anything ranging from a square root, a cube root, or finding the squares, or pass, etc. D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. Now, to get a better understanding of the rule, let me illustrate it with an example. Consider the expression 15 plus 33 divided by 11 into, open the bracket, 18 divided by 3, close the bracket, whole raised to the power of 2 minus 10. So, let us see how we can evaluate this expression using BODMAS rule. We need to keep in mind that the rule gives the order of precedence of calculations. Thus, as per the rule, in any given expression, the terms in the brackets needs to be evaluated first. So we can see that yes, the terms in the bracket is 18 divided by 3. So the first step would be to evaluate the terms in the bracket by keeping all the other terms unchanged. After evaluation, we would get the answer 18 divided by 3 to be 6. So coming to the next step in BODMAS rule is to evaluate all the order terms. In this equation, we can see that 6 is raised to the power of 2. So we need to calculate the square of 6. So our next step would be to rewrite the expression in the form that is shown here. So 6 squared would give us 36. So the new equation becomes 15 plus 33 divided by 11 into 36 minus 10. Now, getting back again to the BODMAS rule, what follows next is division. So, in our expression has 33 divided by 11 in it. So 33 by 11 gives us 3, and hence the equation further reduces to 15 plus 3 into 36 minus 10. So the next term is multiplication. So in our expression, 36 into 3 needs to be evaluated. After evaluating, the equation reduces to 15 plus 108 minus 10. Now getting back to the rule, the last two steps which needs to be done is addition and followed by subtraction. So we need to add 108 plus 15, which would give us 123, and from 123 we need to subtract 10 to get our final answer. I guess the concept of BODMAS rule is clear. So now we are ready to solve any problem related to simplification and approximation. Before we actually move to problems, I would like to share some tips and shortcuts to solve the problems faster. Kindly refer to my next video for the same. If you like my video or found it useful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you.